Coach Keke, and I'm currently running a special right now. Yes, like right now. If anyone that wants to enroll in my Forex Academy, not only will you be able to learn how to invest and grow and compound your money, but you will be able to learn about how you can have higher credit scores and be qualified to get your credit repaired. So if these is all, so any of these things sounds interesting to you, then you definitely want to get in contact with me. And I also do have a free group support that you can ask me about as well. Okay, so I will talk to you guys later. Bye.